enjaga tuberako omukyala nga oli kasiru kale defu
tawulira
defu oba mute aliwo waba omutuufu
oluzungu luno tubale tutambuza bulungi byonoonya plastic
idako kasiru wanjawulo kale si kasiru mute yatayogera sikyakyo yatawulira kakati nze mbuuzisa defu oba mute aliwo asaana okuyitibwa kasiru
yona atawulira
defu
gwe nawe ombuzaabuza kati otande
gwoyonoonya oluzungu
kasiru byebimu
bona badoma kati kandole omukyalabo ngaiza oli mu defu oba
boss of them
kati oba kasiru ddala ebyaddala kakutumireko ng'oli muno naye ng'oli mulungi
beautiful
kati nga toyogera naye ng'oli mulungi jawo musange mulungi
agenda tuula agenda bayimiridde
jawo musanze omuleetere kale entere
atuleteri mukazi mulungi eyesimba mu bbaala funira akatinitini
nyoka omuliro kano kaliwo
hello. How are you? Baby. You can't talk. You use signs only. Okay, Peter. Yes, Peter. What are your names? Yes. What? Regina?
Taina linya. Ngade sina linya towulidde.
Fulidega ga Regina. Kali mulungi kigwe batuma Regina. Okay. Are you alone? Are you alone?
Bad.
You're serious?
Bad.
Beautiful lady like you to be alone, all alone. Okay, now I see why you're alone. Okay, kakati gulira yokuchokunywa. Gulira echokunywa. Ogenda nywachi. What? Ice cream bamwa.
Kyasabye towakanya.
Oba tukuwa yogurt.
Mbune mmoja ayagala wacho omuntu atawanya. Nyoko gwomulese.
Omusajja agenda okwana omukyala aba ayagala mukukusa. Kati ice cream atamiiza. Atiremo. Bape ice cream awo banjiremu vodka 2 mu ice cream. Abibi kakatono oli.
Abusabula papa. Omukuba.
Onolya. Onolya. Toyagala kulya. Kakati zaata tugenda mperekere kwewa. Tugende. Manyi mbeera ntinda. Mbeera ntinda. Manyi omukwano. Gumanyi. Kakakasa. Oyagala mukwano kika ki okusooka nga tetunaba. What? Agategeeza ati
oli musiro oli mwana muto.
Yogala kwa birese tala kumadi.
Oli mwana muto tolabya sayini.
Kukuku bye biki. Ebiki zibitegeera.
Ononye jjo.
Otanye owe mulalu.
Yoko ogise kyokka amadde tuba tutambuza bulungi ekintu kyawe.
Agasebo.
Ama mwebale kujja.
Bannange omwami bw'oboleesa omukyalo olunaku olwaliro ng'omuleseeko out. Kirungi nnyo n'oba nga weefaako.
Otya?
Kwegamba tuke ekiseera okale ku maaso.
Do something.
Omewe oli abaami nga badde omumayi.
Do something crazy like this time. Omanye kati shewe naatera. She naatera jaye kisumuzo kya logi kiwujja afadhali ategeere.
You be serious about what you do.
Be serious. Oli wano oli mukazi.
Wali abasajja nga baaje nga bajega bamulya sente.
Obujega bwakufuukira obujega.
Kati labayo ndi musajja mujega. Kulese out. Otuko oyagala okundekaawo.
Baby Losa, it's time. It's time.
Ewe budde.
Hey, njagala kenda waka.
Oh, kale no.
Are you fine? Baby, nakuwa ne chance yogera.
Bakuwa gapu.
Are you fine?
Chenkana ndi bwentyo.
Seriously.
Wakati ya abana ensonyi tatunula mukazi masa atunula eri ku katebe akakalu ndi bulusi. Sina nnyo tabu ya.
Okay, you give me transport.
Goli bulungi?
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you fine? You give me transport, I go.
Chenkana.
You're not pushing me. Nakula gambo bagala muwerekere nako.
Omuwerekere. kati mumwelekera omutuuse bweru ku boda boda.
Are we going together? Are you using a car? Do you have a car?
I don't have a car.
Hey.
But I can get you boda. Ate mbadde njagala okgenda naawe naye nkyankeera. Akaera omujego oyo. Obujjo akasali teweebaka obanizogere ku mulimu osumagirire ku mulimu.
Osumagirire ku mulimu. Bana abakyala bano batuwa chance oluusi naffe ffe tukola obujega. Waliwo ntunula y'omukyala n'omanya mbu ono
wakutwala ntunula mubula amaaso
nenjogera kasonga latta eddoboozi n'agamba kati katugeze tuli wano mu theatre omukazi kasitaavamu ekigambo pane bano bakaye basanyusa
gwemanya agamba gwamuleese gwosanyusa
eyembwa eyidde twala butwazi
ate kati waliyo nno n'abakazi abalina olugezigezi
batya
nze tolina bwotandika kunsirikira binnyo nkulese mu theatre asasudde omutwalo gwange mu kitundu kwebiri ojja onsiriwalirako omwana bagaya bombagala kati nze yasasudde sirina magezi wandibadde omababulabe bali kundeeta otwala omukazi n'omugulira enkoko akusongamu ekifi ekisambi bannange mayambalayo kyenkoko ze sinaba gwagiguza
oguza enkoko Kwagala amanya mbu abantu baba banyiivu omukazi akwagala omulabira agasolokana omukyalo okati omukatugeze waliwo ayagala tuwa omutwalo tugeza waliwo ayagala tuwa omutwalo waliwo reaction y'omukyala
ebintu bino bitambule nga
muzeeyi tuweyo omutwalo tuweyo omutwalo
tuwa omutwalo bitambule kati bogolina omukyala naye weetegeke
omutwalo kambo kimaawo oba kambo kimaawo tuwe ebiri
tuweere ddala ebiri kuba tuli babiri
njagala kulaga reaction tuwe ebiri naye tozaawudde kati mpera ddala ena
kawubaala
yawula
bintu bino tuleme kulwanira eno mangi
olaba reaction y'omukazi agala bba
amugambye genda
amugiza ati akangisaamu
kati waliwo nogwosa katulaba bakuwadde zino kati muddayo ewaka otandika osabiriza atuuka bulungi nnyo ewaka
yasiimye oba
teyayagadde ebiri musajja yatuwadde eddaka
mwasama nga mufudde mu komedi
kiki obadde ogamba ki
wabirabye ebivubuka
nabirabye bino bye wabadde ebiri kiki obadde ogamba
oli mwana muto
kiki
oli mwana muto
wenno mmanyira genda bye wabadde ebiri bakuwe
Ladies and gentlemen, the talkers.
We are the talkers. That is our time. My brother-in-law came from Nairobi last weekend. I was like, Agiebu, I want you to take me to a very nice club in Uganda. I told him, no problem. We went to a famous club here. As soon as we entered, I was like, hey, Pussy, you brought me to a gay club. I told him, listen. The women are there, just come in. You know, when they enter, those lights are flashing. The lights just flashed. All the women were busy. Paying for, working for January money. What January has not done to people. After they know how to tell a mass. In January, be careful, I went for lunch somewhere. And there was this couple seated in front of me, just near me. The lady was black, the guy was white. After some time, I saw the chick. The chick had hair like mine, by the way. After 2 minutes, she was... I thought I was seeing badly. 2 more minutes. I said, what is this one even shaking? You don't have hair. That's how do crab if you're talking to a white person, your accent must change. The chick was busy. With the kaweke on her head. Ugandan girls, you are not easy. After you see, you ladies generally, we have like 3 standard guys in our lives. We have the border guy, the Rolex guy, and your guy. But January can bring out all types of guys, my friend. You find someone has a tutex guy, has a kafunda guy, has a second-hand guy, has a witchcraft guy. All types of guys are needed in January for one to survive. That's why you find a chick walking on the streets talking, Neda, no, I'm here waiting for my brother guy. I can't tell you kafunda, I meet my second-hand guy. I'm percentage that tutex guy, and I'll talk to the witchcraft guy. She sorted the whole of January. She has solutions. That's why you see most of them get pregnant and they don't even know the whole of the kid. People don't respect the whole of their stomachs. the one who resembles the witch doctor will take. January. And people have become creative. I have my friend Becky. Becky from last year November, she has the same T1. January has worsened. But if you meet Becky now, you can think she changes hairstyles every day. Kube she go take a body. Today she like facing this side. Tomorrow the fringe will be this side. Wednesday the fringe is this end. Every day she has a different hairstyle, please. By Friday the T1 is upside down. She's sorted. Recently I went out to the club with her and she was busy dancing. I think the thing has lost elasticity. She was dancing, shaking the head. Wow! The T1 flew and fell on some man's table. Papa. The guy is like, Mwala. Jango we kunganya. Utanso kungumula. It is kungumuka. Hey, she had started to kungumuka. She had to go and pick a T1 from the guy's table. And even kids have become creative. Today morning, my husband was going to work. And my daughter was there. She wakes up as if she's also going to work, banana. She woke up very early. Daddy, when you're coming back, you bring for me biscuit. So my husband like, okay. Spell for me the word biscuit. I'll bring for you biscuit this evening. He thought he was sharp. My daughter's like, okay, Daddy, no, I don't want biscuit. Bring for me PK. I couldn't she spell PK? But you know, when people are broken, they are so bitter. There are some people who are too bitter. We are all in this thing together. But don't see us abusing people for because we are broke. You greet someone, tell them answers Jajao. Because they are broke. Today when I was coming here, I was very late. I got a taxi, you know the Antinda stage. Empty. People were not coming. 30 minutes I'm in the taxi. I decided to get out. Call the conductor. Ojifulumanga iyo. Tulialia wanyo. Tula bono kule iyo jajifulumanga boyakala. I said I have to go to work. Eventually I got out of his taxi. Now I got a moving taxi. You know, this was together. I entered. Of course we reached Spear. But in the jam of Spear, government at Uganda. You can grow old from there. Spear, that 10 minutes we are in one place. No one is moving. Because someone, conductor said, the conductor opened for her. Immediately she went out. The taxi started moving. Because the conductor, abakazi mwine bisidani. Olaba sekandi kufana na wewe bato mukazi. Bato yobeda ya tusibide one. And the funny thing, when the taxi started moving, the woman came back to enter. They let her in. Again they stopped us. You know, conductors never run out of words. He's like, oh, why? You know, those are the day one. Have you ever entered the taxi? The conductor and the driver are just lumpen, both of them. That same taxi will reach UMI. There were some Muslim ladies waiting for a taxi there. The conductor put his head out. Bahadati, Musana tugende. Musana never know where body. But check out where body man. Now people entered. The thing was so, you know how they squeeze you for it. But there was one guy, he wasn't sure if he wanted to enter or not. He was an excess. So eventually he entered and sat. Because the conductor, Singa nyoni, yandi kulesi. Omani nyoni tatu wala excess. But wala tukali mbange kwa wansi. Neye nyoni ya manager yabula. But wala excess mukanga balamba yabulirayo. Conductors have words. Where do they get their words from? I don't know. You know, there's a lot of katemba in taxis. But there is nothing that annoys me like sitting in a taxi near a woman who is molding herself. But I'm with Deco. This thing should have ended in 2016. I sat near a chick. She was just in the middle, behind. She was about to reach wherever she was going. You know how you call the conductor normally? Conductor, Massa. The chick, this is how she was calling the conductor. Conductor. I said, now where has the car gone? In my heart, I said, I'm not going. I thought she was sick. But she had no signs of cannula anyway. She continued, doctor. Master. It's someone who shouted for me. Why I conduct me and handicapped. I was not going to help her out. Now, the way she changed, she was like two different people. She got out that the conductor had cheated her balance. She even went, conductor became Uganda. She was a wire saver, so was a saint. I said, is this the same person who